In this video, you will learn how to apply for a driving license online in Australia. Visit your state or territory transport website. Go to the official website for your region, such as Service NSW, Transport on Main Road, or the relevant authority in your area. Create a login to an online account. Register for an online account and sign into your existing one using your credentials to begin your application process. Choose the type of license you will need. Select the correct license category. This could be a learner, provisional or full, based on your driving experience and ability. Complete the online application form. Fill out personal details, address, identity information and other required fields. Upload necessary documents. Attach scanned copies of identity, proof of residency and any test or training certificates if required to. Pay the fee and book it yourself. Submit the required payment online and schedule a driving test or knowledge test appointment if you need to. Now you know how to apply for a driving license in Australia. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.